Hello students. So in this video I am going to explain all the questions of exercise 1G. So first is you rationalize the denominator of each of the following from question number 1 to 9. So in question number 1, 1 by root 7. So here the denominator is your root 7. So we have to rationalize it. 1 by root 7 into root 7 by root 7, which is equal to root 7 by root 7 into root 7 equal to 7. So root 7 by 7 is the answer. Now question number 2, 1 by root 12. This one is exactly same as question number 1. So you do yourself. Now question number 3, 3 to root 5. So if you see here, the irrational number is your root 5. So we have rationalizing factor will be your root 5. So 3 root 5 multiply and divide by root 5 will get here 3 root 5 by 2 into 5 because 2 is here and root 5 means 5. So this becomes 3 root 5 and 2 into 5 will be 10. So 3 root 5 is by 10 is the answer. Now question number 4 you have to do yourself, and this one is same as question number 5. Now I am explaining the question number 5. Just see here, 16 root 41 minus 5. Now here root 41 is the irrational number, 5 is the rational number. But if you see the difference between the question number 5 and 3, here it is a 2 root 5 and it's not connected with any other term. But here it is connected with the term minus 5. So here the rationalizing factor will be your root 41 and 5 both. But here only the root 5. So 16 root 41 minus 5 into, take the same number of the denominator, that is root 41 and 5, but with opposite sign. Here the sign is your negative. So whenever you do the rationalization of addition and subtraction, just reverse the sign. Root 41 minus 5 becomes root 41 plus 5, root 41 plus 5. So 16 root 41 plus 5, and in denominator root 41 square minus 5 square. And if you see, this is the formula of a square minus b square, which is becomes a plus b, a minus b. So in denominator root 41 into root 41 becomes 41 and 5 into 5 becomes 25. So it is 16 root 41 plus 5. So 16 root 41 plus 5 by, in denominator 41 minus 25. So 41 minus 25 becomes 16. 16 get cancelled. So answer will be your root 41 plus 5. Now question number 6. 1 by 2 root 5 minus root 3. Again the rational number and the irrational number, they are connected with negative sign. So here the rationalizing factor will be 2 root 5 minus root 3. So here you have to change the sign minus, that becomes plus. See here, 1 by 2 root 5 minus root 3 into 2 root 5, the same number, change the sign, this is negative, so make it positive, root 3, 2 root 5 plus root 3. So 2 root 5 plus root 3 by, this is again a square minus b square, so 2 root 5 whole thing square minus root 3 square. This is becomes 2 root 5 plus root 3 by, now 2 into 2 will be 4, root 5 into root 5 will be 5 minus root 3 will be 3. So 2 root 5 plus root 3 by, this one becomes 4 5 are 20, 20 minus 3, and this becomes 2 root 5 plus root 3 by 17, which is the answer. Now question number 7. 3 minus 2 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2. So rationalize it. 3 plus root 2 root. So here 3 minus 2 root. See, the number will be same. 3, 3, 2, 2, root 2, root 2. But you have to change the sign. Here denominator is positive, so we have to make the negative. So 3 minus 2 root 2 whole thing square by a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square, 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. Now this one is the formula of a minus b whole thing square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square, where a is your 3, b is your 2 root 2. So a square means 3 square minus 2ab plus b square, that is 2 root 2 square. Solve it. 3 square 9. This becomes your 12 root 2 plus 8 by 9 minus 4 into 2 will be 8. Now 9, this is 4 into 2 will be 8. So 9 plus 8 will be 17. 17 minus 12 root 2. In the same way you have to do the question number 8. But in the question number 8, you will not get the formula in numerator. So you have to do the product in this way. So here just check the denominator, 7 plus 4 root 3. So rationalization will be 7 minus 4 root 3, 7 minus 4 root 3. The numbers are same with the opposite sign. So 5 plus 2 root 3, 7 minus 4 root 3. And this one will be 7 square minus 4 root 3 square. So now first write down this number 5 and multiply with this number 7 minus 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3, then 7 minus 4 root 3, and here will be 49, 7 into 7 49, and 4 into 4 will be 16, 16 into 3. Now 7 into 5 35, 5 4 ja 20 root 3 plus 7 2 ja 14 root 3 minus 2 into 4 will be 8 and root 3 will be 3. So this becomes 35 minus 20 root 3 plus 14 root 3 minus 24, which is equal to 35 minus 24 minus 20 root 3 plus 14 root 3. 35 minus 24 will be 11. And see here, minus plus becomes minus. So 20 minus 14 will be 6. So this is 11 minus 6 root 3, which is the answer. So in question number 9, in the same way, we have to do the rationalization as we have done in the question number 8. Now question number 10. In question number 10, you have to find the values of a and b. So in the same way, you have to do the rationalization first. If you do the rationalization, then you will get the numerator. In the numerator, you will get a plus b whole thing square formula, and in the denominator a square minus b square. Solve it. After solving, you will get here 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2 equal to a plus b root 3. Now separate the denominator. 4 by 2 plus 2 by 2 root 3 equal to a plus b root 3. Don't skip this step. Now 4 by 2 will be 2. 2 to get cancelled. Root 3 plus a plus b root 3. Now comparing both sides. It means this term 2 is compared with a and plus root 3 will compare with b root 3. So it will becomes a equal to 2 and b equal to 1. So in the same way you have to do question number 11. So do yourself. 12 also same as question number 10 and 11. So do yourself. 13 also same, and I also already explained in my previous video. So you can check from there also question number 13. Now in question number 14, the same way, here you have to do the rationalization in both the terms. So he rationalize the first term, then the second term, use the formula of a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square. After that, take the LCM as a 4 and see the terms. Those who are the common with the opposite sign, that cancel that one, and after that you will get 6 plus 6 by 4. Solve it, you will get answer 3. Now in the same way you have to do the question number 15 and question number 16. Here 3 terms, so you do the rationalization of each and every term and solve it. You will get the answer as a 0. Question number 17 and 18 is exactly same. So 18 already I explained so in my previous video. Now see the question number 19. In question number 19 you have to do, see value, find the value. So here you take this term, do the rationalization. After rationalization you will get 3 root 5 plus root 3. After that you put the value which is given in the question, root 5 value and the root 3 value, put it, and after substituting you solve it. This 2, if you add this 2 you will get 3.968, multiply it, then it will be 11.904. Question number 20 no need to do, and question number 21 is your proof that this is equal to 5. It is also very easy, but you have to be careful to do the rationalization of each and every term. 1 2 3 4 5, so here 5 terms you have to rationalize. So I have done this one for you. You just first see all the steps. If anything is not clear, then you can ask me. So you have to do all the questions of this exercise in your maths copy, and in assignment you have to do question number 2, question number 4 and question number 11 and 12 in A4 size paper. Thank you.